Hello, welcome to your nursing assistant course for spring of 2017. I am just doing this real quick so you guys can see exactly where you need to log in. I think there's been some rocky beginning to the course, and I just want to clarify everything. So first of all, make sure you're going into your appropriate Blackboard course and printing off the necessary information. So when you log in, of course, there's your calendar. Hopefully everything's been corrected, dates have been turned around, so you can have these dates, if you look at the bottom, and do a link to your calendar for your smart device so it all is conducive and flows easier. Make sure you check your announcements. Bear with me, I'm going to turn it so you guys can't see all of it. I'll just turn on the ones you guys can see. Okay, so make sure you read your announcements. I know that, again, Des is trying to make sure everything's correct and everything's been uploaded for you. I know, again, there was some rocky road at the very beginning, but we'll try and fix those. And if needed, please reach out to me. I'll make sure that it is taken care of. If you need me to, make sure you're giving Desiree about 24 hours notice, and be patient with her. She's trying to, most of us CNA instructors were working multiple jobs, and we're trying to do both. It's just how the CNA role is. It's not a full-time job, so give us time to respond. But if you need immediate response, make sure you, in your text or your email or your phone call, state I need this, need a response ASAP. Okay, so again, read your announcements. Contact information has both of our contacts listed. It's loading up right now. I will add or give you my cell phone notice or cell phone number so you guys can call me, just in case. And I don't mind text messages, it's actually a little easier on me. Okay, under assignments, again, she has done a great job at going through and having all the modules corrected. So if you click into your module, it'll tell you what is due for that time. Okay. Okay, if you need, I'll also show you in Health Center 21 or AES Education how that works as well. But then under assignments, that one's correct. Your course information, of course, that's where you find your syllabus, and again the calendar, so, and the checklist, because the checklist does help. I know I'm getting the Health Center corrected to match the checklist. I think some things were off, so Desiree is working on that currently to make sure that it matches. Okay. Also, print out that calendar so you are up to date on it. Your lab and clinical information hopefully is all corrected now and dates are clarified. Of course, you have a link here for your Health Center 21 or AES Education, but you can also just type it in your web browser and save it and bookmark it. Okay, so which I already have toggled over. So it tells you pretty much, you click on a module, and when you click on a module, it opens up, and now you have all your sub-modules. You have to complete all the sub-modules to complete a module, okay, or a unit. Select a unit. So when you select that, even if you, one thing I want to point out is there's extra credit. When you click on Open Electronic Worksheet, it actually pops up and you can complete that, and it will show up on our end, on the instructor's end, that you did that. So we will give you extra credit up to 5% per module. Not sub-modules, but per module. So then you can complete all your lessons, and each lesson has a quiz. And every at the end of each module you have a test. To take the test, you actually have to complete everything. So each module is not completed until you finish all of your information. Okay, I'm going to say that again. Each module is not completed until all of this is completed. So to toggle back, say you're on module 2 now, and they're not listed module 1, 2, and 3, so make sure you're reading that correctly. You would go through this. When you click into infection control, it pops up your lessons. Okay, the checklists you can print out. They're very helpful for the future. However, we won't be using those in lab. I will teach you off a different set of skill listings because that's what the state requires when you take your state testing. But these are helpful, especially for future, but you're not required to print them out and do each one. But if you do the electronic worksheets, again, you can get up to 5% extra credit for completing your worksheets. You complete all your lessons and do your quiz and then move on to the next one. Okay? Complete all of this, do your quiz. And when you get to the bottom, you start your test. That module is completed. Hopefully that helps you with that. Other things I wanted to show you is, of course, here's your syllabus. Right here is information to get a hold of your instructor, points out how it's transferred, and then also this is pretty much the same checklist as what is in your Blackboard. So it will help you just go along and check off as you've completed things. Okay? It really helps a lot so then you don't forget a submodule. If you notice a submodule is not on here and needs to be, please contact your instructor ASAP so we can get that added. Sometimes things are just missed. Okay? And then the last thing I just wanted to show you is your guys' calendar. So just go ahead and follow along. And if you have any questions, please talk to Desiree. Again, give her 24 hours to call you and answer questions. Remember to leave your name and what class number you're in so she can respond in a timely manner. If you have any questions, reach out to me also. My name is Julie Levitt. I'm the CNA coordinator. My phone number is 307-371-2944, or you can call 382-1842 and leave a message, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Again, my cell phone is 371-2944. You can text me or email me at jlevitt@westernwyomingcommunitycollege.edu. That's all under course information on Blackboard if you need it as well. So again, reach out if you need anything. Thanks so much. Have a great evening.